Coolant is a critical component of your business and likely the only tool that touches every machined part you make. From application compatibility to point of cut and part finish, the coolant you use affects your business and bottom line. Did you know, on average, a shop spends nearly 58% of its costs on labor and machinery, 22% on building and administration, and nearly 20% on workpiece materials and cutting tools? What you may not know is that the total coolant cost for a shop is typically less than 0.5% of your entire cost of operation. Yet, this relatively minor cost has an impact on everything in a shop, from workers to machines and materials, tools and productivity, disposal cost, and part quality. Coolant affects everything. So if it's not working for you, why not invest in something that will? We've all dealt with one or more of the following instances. An employee misses work due to a dermatitis complaint. The paint begins to chip on a new machine. Residues build up on the walls, and part finish is poor. Workers need to frequently replace tools due to breakage or excessive tool wear. Foam results in machine downtime for cleanup and chip removal. Additional labor is needed in order to meet production requests and keep up with on-time delivery. While coolant is generally less than 0.5% of the overall cost of operations, it affects everything within a shop. Getting this piece right can reduce costs associated with labor, machinery, building and administration, workpiece materials, and cutting tools. The right coolant can help reduce time off due to dermatitis complaints, while also creating a safer, more pleasant work environment. The right coolant protects your machine tool by preventing rust and peeling paint, and by reducing residues. The right coolant will allow you to do more with less. By optimizing speeds and feeds, you not only maximize production, but you also reduce the amount of labor needed. Additional savings come from less rework and fewer scrapped parts. The right coolant maximizes tool performance, therefore extending its life. Go from changing a tool every 10 minutes to every 20, or making more parts in the same amount of time. Since its inception, the team at Master Fluid Solutions has worked to provide coolants that help with each of these challenges, so much so that more than 90% of our customers reduce their cost of operations by 10% or more. Let's face it, switching coolant isn't something at the top of your to-do list. It can result in downtime for cleanouts and higher disposal costs. But this one-time interruption can reap many rewards. We've invested the best research and technology into our products that have provided customers with cost savings, improved part quality, better tool life, more operator acceptance, and decreased usage. If you're looking for a company that stands behind its products, look no further than Master Fluid Solutions. We're changing the way you see and test coolant. To find out more about Master Fluid Solutions fluid maintenance programs or products, contact your Master Fluid Solutions distributor or your Master Fluid Solutions district sales manager.